Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we got these LED bulbs for this 2016 Honda Accord. If you guys got 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord, procedure is similar. These are something you can find off online on Amazon, Cougar Motors. Alright, let me see if the camera can see it right there. H11 bulb. These usually I will say 6,000 K lumens would be good. So it'll be nice and bright and white. But this customer told me it's a little bit more than 6,000. He didn't tell me exact number. But it might be a little bit. H11. Oh, these are 6,000 K. See, they're numbered right there. Okay, they are 6,000 K. He didn't know what they was. H11. Alright, so I'm going to show you the bulb in here. These are very simple. You could do it yourself. $32 to $35. And it comes as a set, low beam for both sides. This is for the low beam. Alright. So let me pop this open and I'm going to show you what's in here. You're going to have that little booklet in there. You see that little booklet right there? That's the booklet. And inside the box, you're going to have two bulbs that look like something like that. They got big fat fan in the back to keep them nice and cold, nice and cool. And they're LED bulbs, okay? So they're very simple to put in, okay? Let me pop out one and show you. So they only go in one direction. You see it has like a little earlobes right there. Right on the edge. It has three little ears right there. So if you was, this goes inside the car just like that. If I was to change that one right there, it would have faced just like that. So take it off, you just turn it counterclockwise and put it clockwise. Same procedure for both sides, okay? Not just one. So there's the bulb we have, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do it. You know, it's gonna cost you 35 bucks to change these. You don't have to go to a shop and pay 150 bucks. So let's take the camera and go see inside. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, let's pop the hood open first. We're gonna put our stick in so the hood can stay up. Right there. Alright, now, what we're gonna do is, let me get the bulbs. I'm gonna just place them right here. Okay? And H11 bulb, that's the size of the bulb. So if you're looking for H11 bulbs, this is what you need exactly. And from Amazon, you could get it. I don't know if there's a part number here. There's no part number. H11 bulb, okay? And if you want to get the low beams, it's 9005. Let me just make sure. 9005. I'm sorry, that was the low beam. The high beam is 9005. So right in over here, what you're going to do is, you're going to put your hand in here, and you're going to push on the connector right there, and you're going to disconnect the connector. You see that connector? That's what's going to plug in to one of the new lights, okay? So to take off this bulb, you take this and you turn it counterclockwise, and there's the bulb. The flare is gone. All right, and here's the new bulb. You don't have to do anything. It's all ready for you to put in. So all you have to do is go in there with the new bulb, and you have to just find where the earlobes are gonna sit, okay? Because they're only gonna sit in one direction, in one spot. They're three different sizes, and after that you just turn it, okay? And that's it. And we're gonna take our connector here. All you need is, I got one hand here, so I'm working with the one hand. All you do is you take your connector. Let me see if I can figure out which way it's gonna go. All right, so it's a universal thing. All right, so let's plug it this direction. Sometimes if it don't work, take out the connector and switch it around. Sometimes it could be positive, negative mixed up, because you can connect this thing either way. All right, so we got one in. What I'm gonna do is let's go turn this. We're gonna turn the lights. Did it work or did it not work? Okay, maybe that connector is the wrong way. So let me switch the sides. The connector, all we're gonna do is just gonna switch. So we're gonna push on this. Try not to yank on it too much. We're gonna flip it around, okay? Because there's no color code here. And that clicks in pretty good. There you go. We got nice and bright light. Look at that. I would show you how it looked before, but both of his bulbs was out. And it's pretty bright just with the one bulb. And for this side, the procedure, let me turn these off. Procedure is same. Okay. So what went wrong there was, I'm going to show you. Just You could connect this connector this way or the other way, okay? So if it doesn't work, just unplug it and switch it around, okay? Because negative powder doesn't matter on LEDs. All right, so with this one, you can reach from here or from right back over here. All right, you don't need to remove a lot of crazy stuff. So what I like to do, it's a little bit tough. So what I like to do is, I put my hand from right here and I just twist it gently. And if you can remove the connector first, very good. I'm working with the one hand, guys, so it's a different story for me because I got camera in the other hand. So it is coming out right there. Camera can't see it. I'm working right there. So my connector is pushed and it's already clicked. All it's a matter of me trying to get this guy out of there right now with one freaking hand. I'll use a force and I'll put it against the body. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that out of there, then I'll show you. All right, so what I did was I put one hand from right here. It's more easier from right here. Okay, one hand from there, one from there. I grabbed the bulb and I pulled the connector with the other hand. So remember how I didn't want to turn on? Again, just switch the sides, okay? So hopefully it works on first shot here. Try not to touch the flare. Again, the bulb only goes in one way, not two different direction. And from this angle, I cannot reach. I made that mistake, but I can barely reach. But now the bulb is in there, all I need to do is turn it. Okay, and all I need to do now is, where's the connector? Where did it go? There's the connector. It has fallen back there somewhere. So there's our connector. What I'm gonna do is, hopefully, let's see how lucky I am on a first shot. Okay, let's see how lucky I am on our first shot. Probably not lucky at all. I can't even get this guy in there. Okay, let's see. I might have to switch this side around too. Yep, gotta switch this side around too. So let me turn it off. Again, I mean, it only goes one way, okay? Like I said, if it doesn't work, you unplug it, and all you do is you twist it around. I might have to use my hand. I do not want to yank on that cable. Okay, it came out pretty easy. So let me twist it around. So all I'm doing is twisting it around and replugging it in a different angle. There you go. Heard a click. Bada bing, bada boom. Woo! Look at that. Let me remove my crazy stuff over here. All right. So there's the brightness on these lights. They're pretty bright. That's how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look just like that. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you wanna do the low beams, I'm sorry, these are low beams. If you wanna do the high beams, similar procedure. These are more easier because they're right there. And over here, all you need to do is remove this reservoir here, pull this out, and you could get the little high beam from right there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.